Hi you guys, if you have planned to buy a new SSD, it might be possible that you are going to face this blue screen issue or this boot device not found issue. So for that, I'll give you one solution. Just visit this website. I'll give the link in the description. You can find it there. You need to add AHCI link power management option in the power options. For this, you need to download AHCI link power management. Just click on the download and download it. After downloading it, open it by double click and run it. Here I already downloaded, so I'm not running it again. I directly jump to the power plan option. Just write power plan in the search bar and click on it. Then click on change plan settings. Then click on change advanced power settings. Here the AHCI link power management option added in this power options. By default it's HIPM, but you need to set it to active. Then just click on OK. Your problem will be solved. Hopefully you find this video very helpful.